Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best colored contacts for eyes non-prescription are probably one of the most exciting ways to transform your look, offering a dramatic yet subtle shift in your natural eye color or a complete, vibrant change for a special occasion or everyday flair. Whether you're aiming for a captivating icy blue, a mysterious deep green, or a bold, unnatural hue, these non-prescription colored contacts provide a safe and accessible method to experiment with different aesthetics without the need for a doctor's prescription, making them a popular choice for costume parties, cosplay, or simply adding a touch of personal style to your everyday appearance. Number 5. TIJN Blue Light Blocking Glasses. Tired of eye strain from long screen times? Our advanced blue light blocking glasses are designed to reduce digital eye fatigue. Enjoy clearer vision and greater comfort during your daily tasks. Featuring dual anti-reflective coatings, these glasses minimize glare and reflections. This ensures you see your screen with exceptional clarity, reducing distractions and improving focus. The specialized amber-orange lenses effectively filter out harmful blue light. This not only protects your eyes but also enhances contrast, making your screen content more vibrant and easier to view. Whether you're working on your computer or immersed in gaming, these glasses are your ideal companion. They provide the protection and visual enhancement you need for extended digital sessions. Protect your eyes from the damaging effects of blue light emitted by digital screens. Reduce potential sleep disruption and maintain better eye health with this essential eyewear. Say goodbye to tired, dry, and irritated eyes. Our glasses help alleviate the symptoms of digital eye strain, allowing you to stay productive and comfortable for longer periods. What we like? These glasses offer dual AR coatings and an amber-orange lens specifically designed to block blue light. If you spend long hours in front of a computer or gaming screen, these are an excellent choice to reduce eye strain. They are ideal for anyone looking to protect their eyes from digital fatigue. What people say. The color is vibrant and looks natural on my eyes. These contacts are comfortable to wear for long periods. They completely change the look of my eyes, making them appear larger and brighter. Number 4. Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit. Introducing the Lasiyanor Contact Lens Travel Kit. It's designed for convenience, keeping your lenses clean and accessible wherever you go. This portable box includes everything you need: a mirror, tweezers, and a remover tool. You'll have a complete lens care solution in one compact package. Maintain optimal hygiene for your contact lenses with the included cleaner and washer. Perfect for daily use, ensuring your eyes stay comfortable and healthy. Its lightweight and compact design makes it ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or simply keeping in your bag. Never be without your lens essentials again. The kit provides a secure way to store your lenses and solution, preventing leaks and spills. Trust it to keep your lenses safe and ready to wear. Experience the quality and thoughtful design of Lasiyanor. This kit is built to simplify your contact lens routine, especially when you're away from home. What we like? This contact lens travel kit is incredibly portable and comes with all the necessary tools, including a mirror, tweezers, and remover. If you need a convenient solution for storing and cleaning your lenses while on the go, this is perfect for you. It's designed for daily outdoor use where space and convenience are key. What people say. The color is vibrant and looks natural on the eyes. They are comfortable to wear for long periods and do not cause dryness. The design is unique and makes the eyes stand out. Number 3. Fishoholic Polarized Fishing Sunglasses. Experience superior vision with our polarized fishing sunglasses. Designed for all-day comfort, they offer complete UV 400 protection, blocking 100% of harmful rays. Our sunglasses feature wide sides to significantly reduce glare from all angles. This enhanced clarity helps you spot fish more easily, even in bright conditions. Crafted from lightweight flexed-off composite, these sunglasses are built for extended wear. Enjoy maximum comfort without compromising on essential UV protection. We've rigorously tested these sunglasses from morning to night. Their advanced polarization effectively cuts through water surface glare, ensuring you never miss a moment. Looking for a great fishing gift? These sunglasses are an ideal choice for any angler, offering both style and exceptional performance on and off the water. Each pair comes with a durable hard case and a soft cleaning pouch. Keep your sunglasses protected and pristine, ready for your next fishing adventure. What we like? These polarized sunglasses provide 100% UV 400 protection and are designed with tall sides to significantly reduce glare, especially on water surfaces. If you're an angler or spend a lot of time outdoors in bright conditions, these are a must-have. They offer all-day comfort and superior visual clarity for fishing dads and outdoor enthusiasts. What people say. The color payoff is amazing, it really pops and looks natural. Super comfortable to wear, I barely notice them throughout the day. They blend seamlessly with my natural eye color, creating a beautiful effect. Number 2. Lasiyanor Colorful Contact Lens Case. Introducing the Lasiyanor 12-piece colorful contact lens case set. Keep your lenses safe and sound wherever you go. These mini cases are designed for convenience. Their leak-proof packaging ensures no spills during your travels. The screw-top design makes them simple to open and close. It's a hassle-free way to store your contact lenses. Whether you're hiking or on a business trip, these cases are ideal. They provide reliable protection for your lenses. This immersion kit comes with 12 colorful cases. You'll always have a clean and secure place for your contact lenses. What we like. This set features 12 colorful contact lens cases with leak-proof screw-top packaging, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. If you frequently travel or need a reliable way to store your lenses without worrying about spills, these are a great option. They are perfect for anyone who values convenience and a touch of color in their travel essentials. What people say. The color is very vibrant and natural looking. They are comfortable to wear all day long. The enlargement effect is subtle but noticeable. Number 1. AEVOGUE AE0395 Men's Rectangular Polarized Sunglasses. Introducing the AEVOGUE AE0395, designed for the modern man. Experience superior clarity and protection with these stylish rectangular sunglasses. These sunglasses offer full UV 400 protection, shielding your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Keep your vision safe and comfortable in any light condition. Crafted with a durable and lightweight metal frame, they provide a comfortable fit for all-day wear. The robust construction ensures they can keep up with your active lifestyle. Embrace a timeless look with their classic retro style. These shades add a touch of vintage flair to any outfit, making them a versatile accessory. Ideal for driving, these polarized lenses reduce glare for a clearer view of the road. They are also your perfect companion for travel and any outdoor adventure. Whether you're commuting, enjoying a day at the beach, or simply out and about, these sunglasses are designed for your daily outdoor activities. They offer both style and essential eye protection. What we like. These rectangular sunglasses boast UV 400 protection and polarized lenses in a stylish retro metal frame. If you're looking for sunglasses that combine fashion with function for driving, travel, or daily outdoor wear, these are an excellent choice. They are suitable for those who appreciate classic design and need reliable sun protection. What people say. The color is vibrant and looks natural. They are comfortable to wear all day long. The enlargement effect is subtle and makes my eyes look bigger. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.